Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today we are going to discuss about the another topic, that is equivalent ratios from comparing quantities, 7th class NCERT. So here is about the equivalent ratios. In previous videos we already discussed about the ratios, but here equivalent ratios. We know the word equivalent, it means equal, right? So it is equal ratios. So different ratios can be compared because of we have to know the whether they are equivalent or not. Okay, in this process we have to make the given ratios into fractions. So first of all we have to convert the given ratios into fractions, then these fractions to the like fractions. Why only we are using like fractions means, here we know the like fraction definition. What is a like fractions? Denominator is same for the all fractions. So the type of fractions is said to be like fractions, right? So here B, here B. If in case here B is equal to 2, here also B equal to 2. So then only we can say it as a like fractions. So here only one thing, equivalent ratios. In order to find different ratios, those are equal or not, we have to take the ratios and convert the ratios into fractions, that also like fractions. Then only we get the equivalent fractions, equal or not. So that is the main theme of the here topic. So this topic is much easier to solve the problem. So let's take the example problem. Or the ratios 1:2 and 2:3 are equivalent. Here two ratios are given. This is the 1 and this is the 2. We have to find the equivalent. It means these two ratios are equal or not. Okay, let's start. So first of all we have to convert these ratios into fractions, right? So step 1, given ratios, that is 1:2 and 2:3. Step 2 is convert into fractions, right? Convert into fractions. So 1/2 and 2/3. Step 3, we have to make equivalent or not. So equivalent or not. So that is 1/2 is equal to 2/3 or not. That is the question we have to find. So now, in order to get these two denominators equal, common multiple is 6. So we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with 3. Here, see, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Similarly, here also 2/3 into 2/2. It is equal to 4/6. See, this denominator and this denominator equal. So this is step is to we are making these given fractions into like fractions. So step 4, like fractions. Those are here 3/6 and 4/6. Now step 5, compare which ratio is greater. That's only. Here 3/6, it means this is 4/6. 3/6 and 4/6. It means 3/6 is much lesser than the 4/6, right? So this is the original ratio is 2:3. Of course, 3 ones are 3 twos are also. 3 ones are 3 twos are. 2 twos are 2 threes are also, right? So here 1/2 is smaller than the 2/3. So these two are not equivalent because of there is numerators are different values but denominators are equal values. If in case there is a 4/6 and 4/6, these two given ratios are equivalent, but here in this case these two are not equivalent. Therefore ratios 1:2 and 2:3 are not equivalent. So this is about the how to compare two different quantities, that is the ratios, how to make equivalent or not. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box. Click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.